Hello friends, welcome to Sunshine. Today I will show you how to draw fruits drawing in easy way. Number 1. Grapes. At first, you have to draw 5 oval shapes side by side in this way. Repeat the line down in this manner until one group is left. Now follow the stems and leaves step by step. Start coloring. Dark green, light green, yellow color has been used step by step for this grape and its leaf. Paint the dry stem of the tree like this with brown and yellow colors. Now it's complete. Number 2. Green coconut. First, draw a sleeping line. Now draw an oval shape above and below that line like this. Now draw the part of the dry stem from the base of the green coconut like this. This time, erase the sleeping line and let's start color. The body of the green coconut should be bordered with dark green and filled inside with light green. Now the part of the dry stem of the base of the green coconut should be mixed in this way with brown and yellow color. It's complete. Number 3. Pineapple. First, draw a rectangle in this way. Now draw 4 oval shapes around this rectangle like this. Now draw the image of the pineapple inside the oval as required. Now draw small triangles inside all the boxes like this. Draw some leaves on the top and bottom of the pineapple. At this time, erase the rectangle drawn with a pencil and start coloring. Friends, observe this coloring method well. Pineapple with brown color to border it, then each box should be filled with yellow ochre on top of the square. Some part of middle will be empty. Fill in the empty space with lemon yellow color. Fill up the leaves like this with dark green and light green colors. This is complete. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon and press all to get instant update. Thank you.